Stop installing apps like a beginner. It is time to upgrade your workflow. Think about the normal, boring method. Whenever you need an app like Zoom, you have to open up your browser. You search for the official website, find the right download page, click the button, and then you just sit there and wait. You wait for the heavy file to download. Then you have to manually open the setup file, wait for it to extract, click through the prompts, wait for the initialization, and finally get it running. It is such a slow and tedious process. Now let me show you the fast, professional way using Winget. Just open your command prompt. No web browsers needed. Type Winget install zoom.zoom and simply hit enter. That is it. Winget automatically connects to the verified repository and starts downloading it immediately. Once it finishes, it verifies the installer hash to make sure it is completely safe. Then it handles the entire setup process quietly in the background. No more clicking next 100 times. Just wait a few seconds and it is successfully installed. One command line, zero friction. If you found this valuable, subscribe to OmniTech Labs.